Ugh. Oh, hi, Steve. Hey, everybody. Obviously, that was a little bit of a different build video. We wanted to try something a bit different as we're now entering into our American season here at UFD Tech. Obviously, things have transitioned quite chaotically in the past few months, and several of the people who worked for us in South Africa have now officially transitioned to America. So we wanted to showcase what they can do more than just do our typical build videos. And so we have some cool people, we got some cool tech, but I also wanted to showcase the people behind what we make here. And that's why I sat down with Catlin, the stop motion artist behind what you just saw, and she can explain a little bit more about what she does, why she does it, and how awesome she actually is.
That's a very existential question.
Why do you exist?
Hi, I'm Catlin, I'm from South Africa.
And what brings you to America?
Brett did it. We were trying to do something a bit different, and Brett thought it would be a good idea for me to utilize my skills, which happen to be stop motion, which is a very vague sort of skill.
How does one become skilled in stop motion?
I actually went to school to try and study it. It wasn't really a popular thing you could go and study, so it was like elective subjects.
Okay, so it wasn't like a dedicated stop motion school.
No.
Where it's just people moving really slowly in chunks.
I went to film school and studied motion design, animation techniques, and used that to pursue stop motion. So for my honors, I majored in stop motion, which was cool.
Why would you pursue stop motion and not something real?
Stop motion is real. Stop motion is the manipulation of real objects. What you work with is tangible and physical, so it has that real life sort of effect to it that you can't really replicate with CG. It took a week and a half.
A real work week.
Yes.
What was the quota time?
How long did you tell Brett it would take?
Like a day. But I didn't know what we were gonna do. I would do it again.
What could you improve for next time?
Time management.
What would you say is your biggest flaw?
Time management. I think he was feeling hopeful, envisioning what he was building, you know, working towards something he could be proud of. Stop motion is the illusion of movement. It's puppetry without a puppeteer.
Aren't you the puppeteer though?
Yes, but the digital medium sort of takes the puppeteer away. So they move, but you don't see the hands or the strings, which is the sort of life-giving magic. I think the first movie I saw that gave me a fascination for stop motion was Corpse Bride. After seeing how the puppets were made and how they were able to manipulate the characters to make something so magical, I really wanted to find out more and learn how to do that. And then I started, you know, making little horrible short films by myself, just animating random objects, figuring out how it works. And eventually I just went to film school. The hardest part for me is when you make a mistake, which is very easy to do. Just accidentally knocking something over, or your puppet breaks, or the sticky tack doesn't hold your puppet to the table, so it falls over and then you lose all the positions and you have to start again.
How many times did that happen on this project?
All the times.
How many times did you want to quit?
Quite a few times. I don't think it's good for classic art mediums like that to die. There's nothing else that can really replace it. If you look at the movies that are stop motion and you turn them into 3D animated movies, they would have a completely different feel.
Do you think Disney should remake more of their classics into stop motion
No.
instead of the live action?
Disney must stop. Stop remaking movies. Just make new content.
So we hope you enjoyed that little interview with Kat, a team member here at UFD Tech, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, we did things a little different, but NZXT sent over their H710i for us to check out, as well as their C750 power supply, which is a new series of power supplies that they're rolling out, as well as obviously the new Kraken cooler from them, the Z63, excuse me, which obviously has the OLED on it, 280 mil as well as 360 mil variants. And then they also have updated the original Kraken line, the X series, to have new Asetek pumps to be longer lasting, higher performance, and quieter, which is really good. So if you're interested in checking out any of this stuff, we'll leave links for the NZXT products down below. Big thanks to them for sending everything over to us. And again, big thanks to today's video sponsor. Today's video is actually brought to you by our brand new merch designs that are launching as of today. You can see that I was wearing our new expanded hard drive shirt, as well as several other designs that you can pick up at the store at the link in the video description if you want to support us here at UFD Tech as we enter into the new America phase, as I like to describe it, as well as support creators like Catlin here at UFD Tech. You can do it by picking up our shirts. We try to make designs that you guys want to wear, and if you use the coupon code FIRST, you can save 10% off for the first week that they're available. So coupon code FIRST, 10% off all of our merch designs. Check them out at the link in the video description. Pick them up, support UFD Tech. We really appreciate it. Make things go more. Let us know if you have any ideas for stop motion videos that we could do going forward, or do you want us to continue the story of Steve and his Enderman pal and the stupid creeper that blew up his computer? Let us know down below in the comments. Give us your ideas, feedback. We're looking forward to it. Anyways, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Get subscribed, stay up to date on all of our tech-related content. We'll see you back with something else later. Bye.
Why would someone come in?
Because they need friends.
I need friends. You don't see me going to strangers' houses.
That's because you just are incapable of actually summoning up the courage to go get some friends.
That is not true.
Are you walking into other people's houses?
No.
Then I'd stand by my point. Courage.
Trespassing is not the way to friendship.
She's such a quitter.
That's what I'm impressed.